how to change Wi-Fi password and name of any router. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the Wi-Fi password and name of any router using your mobile phone or PC. This is simple and quick tutorial that will help you secure your Wi-Fi network and customize it to your liking. So let's get started. First, in your PC or mobile phone, you need to open up any browser. Now you need to enter your router default's IP address. And once you have done that, you need to simply enter your username and password. For most of the cases, it's admin and admin for both username and password. It can be different in yours. In order to check that, you can simply turn the router upside down and then look for the password over there. Now, once you're in the home page, navigate to the wireless section over here. Here, you can change your Wi-Fi name and also known as SSID and your password. Make sure to choose a strong password to keep your network secure. Once you have made your changes, don't forget to save them. And that's it. You have successfully changed your Wi-Fi password and name of your router. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.